ये चुनाव सम्मान का चुनाव है, अपमान के बदले का चुनाव है और जिन्होंने अन्याय किया है उसको सबक सिखाने का चुनाव है।
In one of the rallies led by Amit Shah in UP's riot-torn city of Shamli and Muzaffarnagar during the 2014 elections, he asked the crowd to take revenge for all the wrongs that had been done to them. Even though FIR on the account of hate speech was registered against him, no action was taken. Human rights activists were arrested under the guise of combating urban Naxalism in 2018 and 2019 under the UAPA Act. Gautam Navlakha, an activist and journalist, had extensively written on the human rights violations in Kashmir. Umar Khalid was arrested during the CAA NRC protests, a former leader of Democratic Students Union at JNU and an activist. He has been a strong voice of dissent in the country. According to the Oxford and Merriam-Webster dictionaries, free speech is the right to express any opinion in public, and hate speech is speech that attacks or threatens any group of people belonging to a community, religion, or sexual orientation. Then how do you differentiate between free speech and hate speech? United Nations defines hate speech as speech that is rooted in intolerance and hatred which can be demeaning and divisive. Rather than prohibiting hate speech, the UN prohibits incitement to discrimination, hostility and violation. Indian Constitution's Article 19 talks about freedom of expression. But Clause 2 of the article mentions a few restrictions, which are considered as violations of the fundamental right.
देश के गद्दारों को देश के गद्दारों को देश के गद्दारों को
Anurag Thakur's speech incited an incident where a gunman fired at the CAA NRC protesters. In 2007, Yogi Adityanath, who was then Gorakhpur MP, delivered a raging speech.
चेतावनी भी देना चाहेंगे कि अगर एक हिंदू का खून बहेगा तो एक हिंदू के खून के बदले आने वाले समय में हम प्रशासन से FIR दर्ज नहीं करवाएंगे, बल्कि कम से कम 10 ऐसे लोगों की हत्या उससे करवाएंगे जो लोग.
Following which he was arrested, which led to the breakout of communal riots across the city. FIR was lodged accusing Yogi of inciting communal violence.
लेकिन जब हम यूनिटी ऑफ ऑपरेस्ट की बात करते हैं कि सभी मजलूम कौमें एक साथ आएं और एक साथ इस जुल्म के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़ें.
After Shajir Usmani's speech at the Algar Parishad, he was slapped with 2 sedition cases, one in Maharashtra and the other in Uttar Pradesh. There has been an increase in sedition cases since 2019. According to the NCRB reports, there has been a 165% jump in sedition cases. Masrat Zehra, a photojournalist from Kashmir, was charged for uploading anti-national posts on social media, whereas all her photos did were represent the ground reality of the state and the difficulties that the netizens faced. She was booked under the UAPA law, according to which a person can be designated as terrorist and also sentenced to jail. What is the litmus test of Indian courts to identify hate speech? The Law Commission of India has laid down a test for the courts to determine if the speech falls under the bracket of hate speech.